Peace and blessings to all my regal ones, all my empresses, all my emperors. To anyone that's new here, welcome. Thank you for coming to my channel. Please subscribe and hit the button so that, or the bell, so that you'll be notified of any of my next uploads or live chats. And if you've been rocking with me for a long time and you haven't subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell. You know, you're watching my videos, so come on, let's just go ahead and be real about this. Today I'm coming to you. I just wanted to kind of change it up a little bit. Yes, this is my bare face. All I have on is lipstick and lashes, skin flawless, and I'm gonna tell you, it's not that I'm bragging, but it's because of the water intake that I have. I drink a lot, and it keeps my skin clear. I know that's what it is, because I drink so much H2O that it keeps my skin clear. So here I am. I mean, without anything but lipstick and lashes, and hopefully the lighting is not too bright. I did a video yesterday and I thought the light was a little dim. So I want to make sure that this light is not too bright, but I'm coming to you today to show you different ways that you can cover your hair. People that have jobs where they have to go to, and if you're starting off with new fresh Nazi dreadlocks and you want to cover your hair because you don't feel like it's looking like you want it to, I just went to the store today, just this morning, and that's why I'm filming this video, and it's going to be out today. So this is what, March 13th, I think. March 13th. Okay. I'm showing you some different ways that you can rock it. Now, this is my King J cap that I wear to bed. I wear it everywhere. I wear it out in the streets. I usually wear a band around it or so. Sometimes I don't. I just went out to the store today. Didn't have a band or anything on it. But I want to show you different ways. Like, so if you want to cover your hair and, feel a little bit better because it may be not, it's maybe not to your liking yet. Here's some of the things. And this is a net. It's a little net, and you can have like a cap on like this, or you could just wear the net. Now, the net is not going to protect your hair from debris and, any type of things that come from the elements of being outside. But it's stylish. You can wear it to work, I believe. And I think that, it looks great over this cap. It does something. I mean, it just works. So that's a way that you could just, like, if you're starting off with your dreads, or even if you have been doing Nazi dreadlocks for a long time, just want to be stylish and don't feel like having your hair out, or you're going to a place where you feel like the energy is not all that great, you could just, throw on something like that and change the whole look. That just changed the whole look, the whole trajectory of what I had on, the cap that I have on. Now, many of you that have been watching my channel for a while know that I support King J big time. But for some reason, the beauty supply stores were not selling the different colors fast enough, so they stopped doing it. Everything is in black. So I had to go to another brand. Now, I'm doing this with you all for the first time. This is a Magic, and it's a dreadlocks tube. It costs $1.99, and I'm about to see for the first time with you if it can stand up to what King James was given. I'm already having a certain kind of feeling. I don't know. I love the color. The color is beautiful. I needed another blue one because I can't find my blue one that I always wear. The stretch is not there for me. But let's see. I mean, this is the first time, so. Oh, I don't know about this. But again, I'm doing this for you all. I don't know about this. Now, usually you wear this like without having on another cap. This is not stretching the way that I need it to stretch or working the way I need it to work. The other ones would cover like as much as I wanted to cover and still have like a part showing. So I guess, I just have to play with it a little bit, and kind of work it. And so this, yeah, it's okay. I love the color. I love the color. You can go out and style like this. This, yeah, it just took me a little time to work with it. But it's a little tighter. It's not as, I would definitely say that the quality is not as great as what I'm used to with King J, and maybe I have to order directly from King J somehow, some way, because even if I have to order them and be able to retail them to you all so you can have like, the different colors and stuff, because I have like all the colors, missing one because I lost my blue one. It's in my house, so I haven't lost it, but I lost it. So yeah, this is something else that you could do to kind of like change it up while you're going through your transitioning period of your starter dreads, or even if you're a Nazi dreadlock and you just want to cover your hair and be fresh. So okay, that's one of the things that I'm doing with you. This is a beautiful color. I love it. Hopefully you can see the color good, with this new lighting. I hope I'm not washed out. Okay, and now I'm about to do something that I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but I bought it so I could show it to you all, because I was like, okay, well, it looks like this person has hair that's long. This is a long fishnet. It's by Magic, and it was $2.49. Now, I just did an ACV rinse. My hair is super frizzy, and I might want to go out one day and, I don't feel like I have to cover my Nazi dreads all the time. So I might go out one day and just want to, keep my hair from um, getting caught in car doors and all that type of stuff. It looks pretty long. I'm looking at it, and it comes in different colors too. I don't know why I got the white. Okay, this is how it looks. Now, I'm about to remove this. Okay. And see if it can hold like my Nazi dreads. Actually, my dreads are supposed to be down. I love the way my hair feels after ACV rinse. Oh my god. Okay. Forgot I had this on. So I'm going to take this off too. And let's see if this stands up to, our standards as far as something that will really work. Now, if you have hair past your shoulders, past your back, and like me, almost to your knees, I don't know if this is going to hold my hair, but we're going to try it anyway. And how I want to do it is just go ahead and just dip my hair into the cap, because I think this is the best way to do it. And see if it does what it is supposed to do. Okay. And then my hair is like kind of tied in the back a little bit. Okay. Actually, I'm loving the stretch. I'm loving the vibe. The feel is holding all my hair, and my hair is down to my thighs. And if I want to go out and have my hair, yeah, I like it. this is it. This is the lick. This is cool. I will rock this. I would definitely rock this. This is a different style. I never did this before. The fishnet thing, I'm loving. It's holding all of my hair. And again, it's a lot of us on here that has super long hair. This thing for $2.49 to hold on my hair, and for me to be able to go out and say, okay, I don't want to cover my hair with, totally. I want my hair to hang a little bit or whatever. This is actually a great thing. Now, I'm gonna be honest. A lot of this stuff has been limited at the beauty supply stores. They have stopped hosting like the different colors. Like I could get this net, I can get in different colors. And I probably will go back now and get some different colors or whatever. But some of the caps and the tubes and stuff like this, they have a purple tube that is beautiful. This is by Magic. Again, I still like the King J better than anything. But this worked. This did work. But they have different colors, but when you go to the store, they're only keeping like black or certain colors white or whatever because people are not buying them. So, check out your local beauty supply stores. This is the only thing I go to the stores for. But this is something, yeah, I could rock. Thumbs up the video if this is something that you think, it's possible that you can wear to work. It's possible that you can cover your hair while it's growing out, and, you're dealing with your Nazi dreadlocks and they're doing its own thing and you just want to cover it. Again, my hair is like super frizzy and I love it. I don't know, I'll probably rock this today though. I kind of like this. I kind of like it, not kind of. I think it's hot. I'm gonna be honest, I didn't think it was going to be able to hold all of my hair. But this is another way of being able to, go out in public or whatever and keep people from trying to touch your hair or whatever. Some crazy people out here. But I just wanted to come to you all today with these things, and I'm happy that I went ahead and brought this stuff from my local beauty supply. Like I said, it showed a lady that had hair. I don't know if you all can see it. Okay. That had hair. It looked like she had as much hair as me or maybe less, but it holds my hair. And if it holds my hair, it says long fishnet. I'm going back to get different colors because I will rock this. So I just want to thank everybody for watching my videos. Thank you for all the new people that have come to my channel. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell so you'll know when I'm coming with another video. I'm always trying to come up with new ideas, new things for you all. Again, I hope the lighting is good. And comment down below if you think that these are things that you will want, and I will try to, if you can't find it at your local beauty supply stores, I'll try to like get an abundance of these and retail them to you for what I paid for them, and of course shipping or whatever, but that shouldn't be nothing because they're light. I wish they had different colors though. I'm surprised that Magic came out with more stuff. That's great. And this color is freaking awesome. This color is regal. This blue is everything. I thought the blue cap that I had before was everything. This really is everything. I just wish that, that it, the quality. It's not a bad quality. I just got to get used to it. But it works. It works. And then this, when you feeling like doing a Rasta move, it's like, here you go. Okay? So, thank you everybody for watching this video. Thumbs up the video. Leave a comment. Keep me up there, in the recommended thing. But, it doesn't cost you anything to hit the button and sign up on my channel or whatever. If you've been watching me for a long time, you need to go ahead and do that. So, peace and blessings to everyone. I love you. And hopefully you got something from this video. Leave a comment down below. Or let me know if you found other things at the beauty supply stores that work for you. Again, hair down to my knees. down to my knees. And this little net covered it all. Now it's not gonna keep it from debris or anything, but like if I wanted to go to an event or if I just wanted to go outside and I just didn't want to have my hair like totally covered, this is something nice to have, you know? Okay. Blessings to all my regals, all my empresses and emperors. I hope you all are having a great day. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace and blessings. Peace and balance. Peace and love. All that.